Today we talk about how can you enable price changes notifications on your Redfin app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click on Redfin, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on settings, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click on app notifications here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on types of notifications. You come to next step here. You come here to price changes. You just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean here price changes notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.